Good afternoon. I'm Beth and welcome to Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. Today I'm going to try to paint some mangoes, and I'm not painting these as a finished piece. What I'm doing is just practicing, warming up so that I can practice things like wet on wet techniques, lifting, pen and ink work, all kinds of different things, even mixing colors, not on the palette so much as on the paper. And I want to try to do all these things because, maybe I want to do another painting in a few minutes that's going to incorporate all of those techniques. And this one doesn't have to turn out great. I think it can be very loose and it can be very it can be technically bad if it needs to be. I'm just practicing some techniques here. And I'm using a relatively limited color palette and some inexpensive paper. This is my Gencraft wood pulp paper. And it's pretty good, I think. It works well for what I'm trying to do here. And it works well for some other things too. It lifts really well. I'm going to do some lifting of the paint for highlights on this paper. So I think I'll just be quiet for a little bit, and if you'd like to paint along, please do. If you'd like to just watch me go through the ugly phase here, you can do that too. So at this point, I did let it dry completely, which means for about an hour. I'm using a Micron, I think it's a 03 nib, and trying to make some just an outline of the fruit. And I really wish that I had done this a lot looser. I think I did try to go back and make it look a little bit looser, but you want to, if you go outside the lines a little bit, there's just something about that that attracts the eye and looks good. So I think if I had to do it again, I would be messier with my line work. Alright, and at this point I just picked up a brown Crayola colored pencil and started putting in some of the brown parts of the stem and some of the little dots. Got my frustrations out by poking hard at the paper, which was kind of fun. But yeah, so you can kind of see here how that's working out. And some scribbles underneath the fruit just to make it look like a shadow. And that about does it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this crazy thing, my mangoes, right? But this is just a little bit of practice. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will like and subscribe.